question, sir. Ito munang biodata. Mamaya.
Kung ano man, biodata. Kailangan na ba?
Kailangan din.
Ano, biodata or question?
Question muna, why bago yung biodata. Ganyan lang.
Awkward, awkward.
First question po. Does all employers wear their proper attire uniform during food preparation and services?
Employer or employees? Employees, yes. It's actually part of our standards na once they enter the store, they have to wear their proper attires from their cups, from their hairnets, from their gloves if they were on the production area, they really have to conform with the standards. With regards to our shoes, we are not allowing our employees to wear white shoes or any kind of open shoes, especially for girls. We are, what should I say? They have, yes, I'm allowing them to wear slashers instead of black shoes kasi hindi naman natin may iwasan na
Accident.
yes, kasi since this is a quick service restaurant, we are encouraging them to move fast. And medyo mahirap gumalaw if you're wearing informal shoes. So, somehow inaalaw na rin namin sila for their convenience also. You're asking for grooming, right? So, accompanied by grooming is our nails. That's actually very critical since we've been handling foods, especially at the production area. We have to trim nails every day. We are not allowing employees to enter the store with long hair, especially for boys. What else? This is a good example of proper grooming. He's wearing a cap, but since he's not in the production areas, he can.
From head to foot.
Yeah. That actually part of our a part of our requirements is for them to wear their ID, especially health card. Since we're the food industry, they really have to wear. Nameplate is actually a requirement because since it's a restaurant, we have to provide customer service to our customers. We're not just here to provide food, but convenience to our customers. Next
We
question.
also, sir, enforce law against eating chewing gum or smoking pagpreparasyon.
Yes, it's actually a mortal sin. Yeah, that is a mortal sin. Merely because it wasn't proper to eat while on duty. That is very common na, di ba? Especially if you're smoking, no. That is a mortal sin. You can drink, especially obviously water, but you have to drink outside the production area because that may cause food contamination. Right? That's food safety is a primary requirement in our business. We have to cater foods that are safe, that are free from any dirt. That's why as early as possible, we are reminding them with the food safety practices, with the do's and don'ts of the store.
Sir,
Do I speak fast? Is it?
It's okay, sir.
do you take a long rest when sick before reporting to work?
I'm sorry?
Do you take a long rest when sick before reporting to work? In yours?
Not that much. Yeah, that's just normal day. Let's say for example, I'm the opening manager. The opening time for our store is 9 a.m. So we're open by 10. I wake up at 7. Diba? I wake up at 7, prepare myself for 8. So 20 minutes is enough, I would say. You don't have to spend much rest. Maybe after your duty, but not before duty.
When you're sick, sir.
Sick?
Yes, sir.
When I'm sick, to be honest, I wasn't able to minsan lang talaga ako magkasakit. Pero pag nagkasakit, hindi naman ako ganun nagtatagal ng pag-rest. Kasi it's actually a body system. When you get into your work, when you get into it, diba? You won't feel any kind of sick. Hindi ka ganun parang hindi siya part ng